but it's not Joe Milton. Look at Joe Milton. Look at that. I mean, it's certainly going to put him on a alert.
Thing's
Things a little interesting there in New England, like no doubt about that.
How far can Joe throw an orange?
Nathan Mayo.
That is a long. That is a long way to throw an orange. He threw it completely off the field. Good Lord.
I mean, he's famous for this. I mean, again, you see some of his throws. Is of course playing quarterback. It's impressive.
100 yards.
You see him
You want some help?
Right, the orange.
Right. I mean, you see him
There
at
you
the
go.
Manning Academy last year, right? I mean,
Can I
he's
help
the
you,
guy
son?
they were like, all right, that make everybody go, whoa, hey, Joe, get up here and throw a bomb. I mean, so
You get
there's
one.
that type of talent here. Now, it
Just get one.
keep
Don't be a little
playing and growing
pig.
into being a quarterback, but there's
Just
some
get one.
tools and some skills there that
Just
are
get you
definitely
one.
gonna open up some eyes there in New England.
There's also the question.
That's one. There you go. Here.
Play a
Here you
different
go, buddy.
position. Gerard Mayo said, let's
Here.
put pads on before we make those decisions.
It's all yours. Right there. Right there. Look.
I would never look at tight end.
Right there.
It's not nearly the same as Cousins and Penix.
Yeah, she found it. And she's off.
Who's